Hi, today we'll be discussing about heart. Heart is an important organ because it pumps blood around our body, delivering oxygen and nutrients to our cells and removing waste products. Coming to location of heart is located in between lungs. Heart is covered by three main layers. Those are epicardium, myocardium and endocardium. Before that, heart is covered with pericardium, which is a loose fitting sac allowing enough room for heart to beat. That is, now epicardium, myocardium and endocardium are three protective layers of inner heart. Now coming to the structure of heart is, we are having four chambers of heart. The upper two chambers are known as auricles and the lower two chambers are known as ventricles. Auricles are always named as receiving chambers and ventricles are always named as discharging chambers. Now coming to walls of our heart. Walls, that is, the two auricles get separated by interatrial septum. Then the two ventricles get separated by interventricular septum. Now coming to valves. We are having four different valves. Valves are nothing but the gateway for the passage of blood. The categories of valves are, first category is atrioventricular valves, which are subcategorized into bicuspid valve and tricuspid valve. That is, bicuspid and tricuspid valve together named as atrioventricular valves. Likewise, aortic valve and pulmonary valve together known as semilunar valves. These are four different valves. Now, what we have an idea is, our heart is having four chambers, two walls, four valves for its functioning. Now, coming to the physiology of our heart is, what will happen is, all the impure blood from lower part of our body will get collected by a large vein known as vena cava. From vena cava, all the impure blood will get dumped into right atrium of our heart. From right atrium, all the impure blood will get dumped into right ventricle by the opening of tricuspid valve. From right ventricle, all the impure blood will get passed into lungs by the opening of pulmonary valve. Only by the opening of pulmonary valve, all the impure blood will get passed into lungs with the help of pulmonary artery. That is, the impure blood is collected by pulmonary artery to lungs for purification. From lungs, the purified blood will get passed into left auricle. All the pure blood will get passed into left atrium through pulmonary vein. Pulmonary vein carries all the pure blood to left atrium from lungs. And from left atrium, all the pure blood will get passed into left ventricle by the opening of bicuspid or mitral valve. Now, from left ventricle, all the pure blood will get passed into all our body parts by the opening of aortic valve with the help of large artery known as aorta. This is the physiology of heart. Likewise, the impure blood get converted into pure blood and which get passed into all our body parts for a better functioning.